Unveiling the delights of glazed ham. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is fun and easy. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the term glazed ham. Whether you're a foodie, a chef in the making, or just curious about English phrases, this video will give you the savory details about this delicious term. So, let's get cooking. When we break down the term glazed ham, we're combining two words that each carry their own flavor in the English language. Ham refers to a cut of pork coming from the thigh of a pig, usually cured or preserved. On the other hand, glaze in cooking means coating or covering food with a sticky, shiny, and often sweet sauce or syrup. The magic happens when ham is cooked or baked with a glaze spread over it, which caramelizes in the heat. This process gives the ham a mouth-watering, shiny finish and enhances its taste with a mix of sweet, tangy, and sometimes spicy flavors. Glazed ham isn't just a dish. It's a part of many cultural traditions, especially during festive seasons like Christmas and Easter. In these celebrations, serving glazed ham is a way to provide a hearty meal that can feed many people and symbolizes festivity, abundance, and the joy of sharing. Understanding the term's cultural background can enrich the learning experience for English language students. It highlights how language and food often intertwine to reflect a country's traditions and celebrations. Now that you know what a glazed ham is and its cultural context, let's use it in a sentence to better understand its application. The centerpiece of our Christmas dinner was a glazed ham, adorned with pineapple and cherries. I learned a new recipe that calls for a glazed ham with a maple and brown sugar coating. Notice how the phrase can describe not just the food but also its role in a meal or an event. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and context behind the delicious phrase, glazed ham. It's more than just a meal. It's a reflection of culture, tradition, and the English language's rich culinary vocabulary. Now, you can confidently talk about this dish and maybe even prepare one yourself. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice your new English terms. Till next time, keep learning and stay hungry for knowledge, and maybe some ham, too.